Editing sentences practice B101, characters and action. Let's read out the sentence we want to edit. Only 2 people needed assistance from paramedics because of smoke inhalation. And what we want to do to start with is find the following: the verbs in the sentence, the subject, which is the person or thing that's doing the verb, and any verbs that have been turned into nouns, which is mostly not good. So now I want you to try it. Pause the video and then try to find the information and write it down. When you've done that, press play to continue. Now let's examine the sentence together. So if we look through here, we've got needed, that's a verb, to need. And if we look through the rest of the sentence, there aren't any more verbs. So we've got to need. So who's doing the needing? Well, it's only 2 people. And are there any verbs turned into nouns? Well, we've got assist, which becomes assistance, and then we've got inhale, which becomes inhalation. But just to say that inhaling smoke inhalation is a noun together. It's both smoke and inhalation. So maybe that's not a good example, but assistance is. So now we're going to redo the sentence using characters and actions. And we found out that currently only 2 people are doing the verb to need, and we've got assist and inhale, and especially assist we don't like. Assistance we don't like. And when you redo this sentence or edit this sentence, what I want is for you to ask, what are the best characters that tell a reader what is happening? And what actions are those characters doing? So we're turning subject and verb into our best characters doing actions. So now you try it. When you're ready, pause the video, then try to edit the sentence yourself. Use this hint. What are the best characters and what actions are they doing? And when you're ready, press play to continue. Now go through it with me. Well, you could say our hint is assist. Who is doing the assisting? Well, the paramedics. And so maybe the paramedics are the active people. They're the people doing things, the characters. And what actions are they doing? They're assisting. So can we turn that into a sentence? If we write paramedics assisted 2 people because of smoke inhalation. Well, that's not bad, but we've got a problem. You assist someone for a problem, or in fact maybe a better one is treat. Paramedics treated 2 people for smoke inhalation. So our best action is treating. So paramedics treated 2 people for smoke inhalation. Now this is not bad, but we've got a slight problem in that it was only 2 people. Paramedics only had to treat 2 people for smoke inhalation. That's more accurate, but we have to decide in context whether it's important to stress that it was only 2 people. So we can't be sure on this edit immediately. So what have we done? We started with only 2 people needed assistance from paramedics because of smoke inhalation. We worked out that we wanted someone was assisting. And then we worked out that the best characters were the paramedics, and they were assisting or treating. And we ended up with paramedics treated 2 people for smoke inhalation, or paramedics only had to treat 2 people for smoke inhalation. As you can see, this is shorter and it's easier to understand. Readers see a character doing an action for a reason. And this is a good, clear edit. Thank you very much.